small kind bird. Ala. Good morning, everyone. Look, guys, I just suddenly see one red in there. So I'm here in the garden. It's good to stay here because trade winds is back. No more the Kona winds, so it's not humid anymore. So, eto yung aking mga sunflowers. I have 4 right now, except for those 3 old ones. Yan, masaya sila kasi hindi masyado mainit. This is the backyard and we planted kangkong. Ayan siya, very healthy na. So this is maybe 2 weeks old. Look, soon I will be picking kamote tops for salad again. I get this today, 3 ampalaya. And then I also picked the dragon fruit. So my harvest for today, there. Freshly squeezed tangerine from the yard. Let's make good drinks. Oh, let's put Yakult. There you go. Woo. Okay, this is Hadi's special fried rice. Oh, smells so good. Let's eat lunch. Okay, fried rice with spam and garlic and onion. No oil? What did you put in here? Olive oil? And then secret.
Olive oil.
Olive oil. And then I want some, this is kind of pickled radish. Bite little bit of that and then eat your fried rice. Okay, let's eat. Then I have my drink, so let's eat. This is our lunch. Hi everyone, welcome to Mina's Day Vlogs. So it's cooking time once again. And for today's dinner, I will be cooking the Filipino style spaghetti together with garlic bread. First, I will be cooking the noodles. So, kasalukuyan po, nagpapainit na ako ng tubig or water. I put little bit of cooking oil and a pinch of salt. Kaya tara na doon at tingnan natin yung noodles. Let's go! Okay, so I will be cooking the pasta a few minutes. It should be al dente, meaning the pasta is tender, but when you eat, it's still firm and chewy. Ayan po, so okay na yung ating noodles, very al dente. So I will strain this and run with cold water para hindi siya ma-overcooked. Ayan, so multitasking tayo guys. Pinapakuluan ko na yung ground pork. I put pinch of salt and pork cube para malasa siya. And in here, magpa-fry na ako ng sliced hot dogs. Somebody might question me, why is my spaghetti get hot dog? Why it's kind of sweet? Because it's a Filipino style spaghetti. If it's not like this, then it's no longer Filipino style. Di po ba? Ito na yung ground pork. So, tender na siya. Antayin ko lang na mag-completely dry. So, meron pa siyang konting water. Pag nag-dry na to, okay na siya. And by the way guys, I remember, if you wanna know my recipe for this Filipino style spaghetti, please do visit my uploaded videos. I have plenty videos regarding Filipino style spaghetti. So in there, you have the complete ingredients and the measurement. I see you there. Pa-visit po yung aking mga ibang videos. Madami po akong luto-luto videos in there. Smells good. Okay, so I will turn off the stove. I will just use the remaining heat of the stove for this one. Next, let's cook the spaghetti sauce. So, I will be needing a bigger pot. Lagay natin dito yung ayan. So, I need a little bit of oil. So, I will just use the oil from the hot dog earlier. Just a little, maybe around 2 tablespoons of oil. So, nag-reuse lang po ako. Okay pa naman kasi yung pinag-prituhan ng hotdog kanina. First is, I will put the minced garlic. Minced garlic, lagay natin. Yan. Huwag susunugin yung garlic. Do not burn the garlic. It will become bitter. Gaya ng mga iba dyan. Joke. So, next is the minced onion. Okay. Ooh, smells good. Amoy nyo ba? Ang bango nyo. Promise. Ang bango-bango. At saka yung nilagay ko na oil, tamang-tama lang guys. Wala kang makikita na oil. So, that's good. I'm doing good. Ilagay na din natin yung eto. Instead of red bell pepper, I ran out of that. So, I have here pimiento. Konti lang naman, around 1 tablespoon or 2. Pampasarap. Yan ang secret. Mix-mix lang until the garlic and the onion become aromatic. Dapat mabango siya. Okay, so this is good already, especially the onion looks translucent. Now, I will add the spaghetti sauce. Ito yung Filipino style, kaya sweet siya, tulad ko. Joke. Lagay natin yung matamis na spaghetti sauce. Tulad ko. Ayan. And then, I will also put just half of this maybe of tomato sauce. Para hindi naman siya sweet na sweet. Okay. So, low heat lang siya. Mix natin. And we'll wait until it bubbles or warm. Punin natin lahat yung sauce. Sayang naman, binayaran natin yan. Squeeze natin. Ayan, meron pa konti-konti. O, see? Sayang, pera din yan. Okay, so I need to throw this already. I'm back, guys, and medyo nagpa-bubbles na siya. So, warm na siya, medyo kumukulo-kulo. I-add ko na tong ground pork na tenderized. Ang daming ground pork. Very meaty ang aking spaghetti. Yan. Okay, what else? Let's also add, wait, I will get, I need a spoon. I also put table cream or the all-purpose cream. Naglalagay ako ng all-purpose cream. Kaya yung sauce ng spaghetti very creamy. Creamy siya. Madali na lang siyang lutuin. Very easy to cook. We just need a few minutes. Lagyan natin ng konting salt. Konti lang for taste. Aray. Tumatalsik ka naman. Very low heat. So, I think I need to taste. Para ma-adjust yung taste, I need to taste now. Para makapagdagdag kung ano ang kulang. But it's hot. Low heat. Taste perfect naman siya. Parang ayoko nang magdagdag ng salt. Kasi mamaya pag nilagay natin yung cheddar cheese for topping, yung cheddar cheese kasi medyo maalat siya. Medyo salty yung taste. Kaya okay na to. Okay, so next, let's put the fried hot dogs. Maglagay din tayo ng ground pepper. Masarap! Naimas spaghetti sauce. So, few more minutes and it will be done. So guys, I will see you when we eat dinner. Ayan, dinner time na guys. So I am mixing the noodles and the spaghetti sauce. Wow, mukha siyang masarap, 'di ba? Filipino style spaghetti. So don't forget, put some grated Filipino cheddar cheese on top and then mix again. If you like my recipe for today and my video, guys, please don't forget to subscribe. And by the way, this is my garlic bread. Let's eat.